Hey guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching my channel Monday Batting. Today I came up with a new integration shortcut method to solve problems in a short period of time. And let's begin the video. Okay guys, this is the question which you have, and this is in the form of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, right? The question is in the form of this standard form, right? And in order to solve this, you must have to check a condition, that is 4ac minus b square less than 0. If this condition satisfies, then you can proceed further, that is to the formula, and let me explain you that. That is 1 upon root mod of 4ac minus b square times log of the lowest or lower of the value, that is upon highest or higher value plus c. Here the meaning of this lower value and higher value is the linear factors of this quadratic equation has to be done, that is here the factors of this are 2 and 3, right? Minus 2 and minus 3, right? So x plus 2 and x plus 3. The factor which is giving less value has to be written in the numerator part, and the factor which is giving highest value after substituting 0 has to be written in the denominator part, and this is the meaning of lowest value and higher value, right? And first of all, let me check this condition, right? Here the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 5 and the value of c is 6, right? I just compared the coefficients of x square and x and c, right? And I'm substituting these values over here, right? 4 of 1 times this 6 minus this 5 square, which is equals to 24 minus 25, which is minus 1, which is less than 0, right? So the condition is proved, and so we can use this formula to calculate the answer of this question, right? So for that I'm substituting the values. 1 upon root, here mod 1 means 1, right? And log of, here I said the value, the factor which is giving lower value has to be written in the numerator part, and the factor which is giving higher value has to be written here, and I'm writing these factors, that is x plus 2 and x plus 3, right? And if I substitute 0 over here, I am getting 2, and if I substitute 0 over here, I am getting 3, right? So the least value is for x plus 2, right? So you have to write x plus 2 in the numerator part, that is x plus 2 upon x plus 3 plus this constant c, and this is your final answer, right guys? And let me explain another example. Okay guys, and this is our second example. First of all, let me compare the coefficients of x square and x and constant. So we have a as 2 and b as 7 and c as 6, right? So let me check the condition is satisfying or not. 4 of here a we have 2 and c as 6, right? And b square as 7 square. Here 4 2 are 8, 8 6 are 48, right? Minus 49, which is equals to minus 1, which is less than 0. So our condition is satisfied. So now we can apply this formula to this problem, right? 1 upon under root mod 4ac minus b square. The value we got here, right? So I'm writing directly mod minus 1 log to get these two values. First of all, you have to factorize this one. After factorizing, you will get 2x plus 3 and x plus 2, right? So the factor which is giving less value has to be written in the numerator part, and the value which is giving big value has to be written in the denominator part, right? So I'm substituting 0 in this two factors. Say I'm substituting 0 over here, I got 3, and I'm substituting 0 here, I got 2. So 2 is less than 3. So we have to write this x plus 2 factor in the numerator part and this 2x plus 3 factor in the denominator part, right? So x plus 2 upon 2x plus 3. As you seen here, we got 2 is the least value, so I wrote this x plus 2 factor in the numerator part, and we got 3, so this is the highest value compared to this, so I wrote this here in the denominator part, and this is the final answer. In this way, you can use this method to solve problems which are in the form of this. So that's all for the video, guys. If you like my explanation, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and tap on bell icon to get all notifications. And finally, thank you so much for watching.